sound check. Sound.
Anything else, Alan? Upper stuff or yeah. Okay, thank you. Thumbs up. Okay. Hey. I feel no shame. I'm proud of where I came from. I was born and raised in a boondock. Sounds good to me, man. I digs it. Thanks. Other people. Tonight, shining through the trees. Crickets are singing, lightning bugs are floating on the breeze. Baby, get ready. Cool, yeah, sounds good over here, man. Cool. Maybe you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. I got my window down, and the radio up, get your radio up. Yeah, when I first saw her, the King's Horner, popping right out of side door, no water, oh good Lord, he had the motel legs, couldn't help myself, so I walked up and said, maybe you a song, you make me wanna roll my window down and cruise down the back road, going down the sign to the middle, every little part down. You in this brand new Chevy with a limp, but look at how I'm driving with you. Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my window down and cruise. My windows down, my seat's back. y'all.
We'll be back in about an hour, but if you get bored, we do have merchandise for sale already, so you're right.
And there's plenty of beer still.
Yeah. If the weather permits, we are going to be signing whatever you purchase later, so. And while you're at it, pull out your phones and pull up iTunes and download our brand new album, Country Evolution. It's for pre-order. Ready to pre-order it, you get 4 tracks right off the bat. We'll see you guys in about an hour.
I love your band.